Do you have any quantifiable benefits of using Scanify, like a specific percentage decrease in change orders or time to install, perhaps time, spent on site, like anything like that you guys are able
Yeah.
to share?
Yeah, for our survey assessor, our site assessor, we've been able to essentially reduce the time on site by 50%, or alternatively, we've been able to double our site assessment output on any
Sure.
given day. Um, for design time, now that we can Scanifly provides a service for the wireframes, that can actually help. That's helped reduce our design process about 10 to 20%. And then with our revision reductions from having site accurate designs, it's about 33% reduction in revisions from the PM teams. We've paired that with very detailed onboarding processes for the sales tech to provide the PM team, and then adding Scanify on top of that just really helps create a smooth transition into the PM team and following through to the install. And then, yeah, like I mentioned before, since the PM team is moving forward with a more accurate design and data, it's helped reduce any install hiccups or delays from having to remeasure.